Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the phone app and going straight to Recents. This shows all calls. Once done, make sure your iPhone is unlocked, and if you use multiple devices, that iCloud syncing is enabled so linked calls appear. Tap the Recents tab to reveal timestamps and call types. You want that context. If you have many entries, prepare to filter or search. That speeds finding a specific call. Now move to narrowing down the list. You should now use the search bar to type a name or number. The phone app supports partial matches, so short fragments work well. Once results appear, tap the right arrow or info icon to inspect the entry. This reveals duration, exact date, and call type. If you need the number, tap to call back or copy it to clipboard. Make sure to scroll within the details page to see repeated interactions. That helps confirm the exact instance you need. Finish by exporting or clearing as needed. Copy the number from the info screen or take a screenshot because there's no native export. To tidy history, swipe left on an entry to delete it, or use Edit then Clear to remove everything. If a call isn't appearing, troubleshoot by toggling iCloud contacts /phone sync and sign back in, or restart your iPhone. Also check Do Not Disturb and blocked contact settings. These steps fix most visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.